Yes, students, now lecture 4. In the last class, I have explained about the combination of figures. Now, if you have gone to the video, that was lecture 3, but I have written lecture 4. So you can see that this is a lecture 3 and this is lecture 4. So, in this chapter, I will explain how to do the calculation short. Now question number 1. First of all, how to reduce the calculating part, that is very important. Now question is that a cylinder of radius 7 centimeter and height 14 centimeter is melted to form a spherical balls of radius 1 centimeter. How many balls? How many balls are made? How many balls are made? So, when we read the question, a cylinder of radius 7 centimeter and height 14 centimeter is melted. So, concept will be what? Volume of melted figure equal to volume of casted figure. When you have come to the concept, then what you will see that what is melted and how many things you are making, or one thing you are making, how much. So here cylinder is melted to form spherical balls. So how many balls are formed? So question is that how many balls are formed? So what you will write? Let X spherical balls are made. Now X spherical balls are made. So what is, you make the front diagram. Cylinder. This is a cylinder. Now radius R. This is R. This is H. Now this is the cylinder. Now when we take representation, so you can take as, because this is melted, so you can take as capital H. This you can take as R, because this is melted and this is also R. So this, what you are saying, that this is cylinder. Now this is melted to form spherical form. So spherical ball you can make a small one, and the radius is R. This is R. So how many balls? This is spherical ball. Spherical ball. Now write the measurements. Capital R, that is 7 centimeter. Capital H, 14 centimeter. Small r, 1 centimeter. Now concept, volume of melted figure equal to volume of casted figure. So you will write volume of cylinder equal to volume of X spherical ball. Now volume of cylinder pi r square into volume of one spherical ball. Spherical ball. After this, what do you write? Now come to this side. That is pi r square x into volume of spherical ball 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now this pi and this pi cancel. So you have to find out x. So what you write? R square x into 3 upon 4 r cube equal to x. If you have done the question like this and suppose this is of 4 marks, you will get that is 3 marks. Now after that, putting the correct values, capital R is 7 into 7, capital X 14 into 3 upon 4 into 1 into 1 into 1 equal to x. So you can cancel here if it cancels. So what you can take, or you can take as this h has 28 centimeter. So that calculation is, you can take as 24. H is 24. So this 24 you can take, instead of 14, you can take 24. So that the 4 and 6, this cancel. 7 7 49, 49 into 6 into 3 equal to x. Now 6 9 54, 4 5 there is 6 24 2 90, 4 into 3 equal to x. 3 4 12, 1 carry 3 times 27, 28, 3 2 6, 882. So x is what? 882 balls can be drawn. So this is the one method to find out the number of balls. Now, variety of questions are there on this topic. That is, combination figures we have studied. Sometimes the same question can be said, how many balls will be dropped out in the cylindrical vessel so that water level rises by 7 centimeter. So volume of water level rises by 7 centimeter. So rise in level is what? This much. So volume of X spherical ball equal to volume of water displaced. So this question we are going to do. Second question, what? A cylinder of radius 7 centimeter and height 24 centimeter is filled with water to a height and yeah. Question number 2. A cylindrical container of radius 7 centimeter and of radius 7 centimeter is filled with water height 24 centimeter, a spherical ball of radius spherical ball of radius 1 centimeter is dropped into cylindrical vessel into cylindrical vessel. The water rises to 28 centimeter. Water rises to 28 centimeter, or water rises by 7 centimeter. Find how many balls are dropped, are dropped, are dropped. So question will be what? How many balls? Let X balls are dropped. X balls are dropped. So this is what figure. This is radius R. Now this is dropped. Now water level was to this height. R. This was the water level first. 24 centimeter. Now water rises by. This is the rising level. That is H 7 centimeter. This is what? Rise in level. Now, volume of water displaced equal to volume of X spherical balls. Water displaced, liquid take the shape of the container, so pi r square. Now H, you will take small one. Rise level equal to X into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now rising level you will take as 8 centimeter, because so that calculation may be easier. But so pi and this pi cancel. R square H into 3 upon 4 R cube equal to X. Capital R, you know, R is what? 7 centimeter. Small r, 1 centimeter. This 24 centimeter. This is what? Height of water in the cylindrical vessel. Height of water. This is capital H. You can say that this is capital H. because water is up to this part. When the balls are dropped, these X balls are dropped, so water rises to this much, only this. Or after dropping the ball, sometimes it is said that when all balls are dropped, the water reaches to height 32 centimeter. So what you will say? If it is 24 is this much and this is 32, so rising level will be what? 8 centimeter. So this is what you have to remember that. Now find the value of x. That is, you can find the value of x by putting the value. So x equal to capital R is 7 into 7 h, that is 8 into 3 upon 4 into 1 into 1. So 4 to the 8. Now x will be what? 98 into 3. So x equal to 3 8 are 24, 4 to carry, 3 9 are 27, 294. X equal to 294. This is the answer. So, variety of questions. Now the object which is dropped, it is only one combination figures may be there. A top object is that is cone mounted on hemisphere, that is dropped. So volume of water displaced will be what? Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So if you go to the books, you will find that variety of questions are there. So this is the topic, today's topic, and for next class you remember. Now third question, if I say third question, so what third type of question may be there? Same, that is volume of mud taken out. You are digging a well whose diameter is given, cylindrical well is there. Now the mud taken out from the cylindrical well is used to make the platform whose length, breadth and height is given. You have to find out the height of the platform. So volume of mud taken out from cylindrical well, volume of mud taken out from cylindrical well is equal to area, volume of the platform, and volume of platform is in the cuboidal shape as having length, breadth and height. So you length you know, breadth you know, you can find out the height of the platform which you are making. So there are this type of questions also. Now the mud taken out from the well is that can be evenly spread around the neck of the well, so it becomes a ring. If mud is spread evenly around the neck, then it becomes a ring, and area of ring will be what? Area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So volume of mud taken out from the well equal to area of ring into rising level, and area of ring is what? Outer circle minus inner circle. So this is the another concept. In the next class we will study about the water flow. So okay, thank you.